Why don't you suck my dick a little bit more, baby? And I'll fucking shove it in your asshole! You understand? How fucking hard Ellie's laughing there.
I'm really not.
Start screaming again.
Oh my fucking god! We know, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, I'm gonna fucking squirt, I'm gonna fucking squirt! Pull out, pull out, pull out! Now, baby!
You sound like an ostrich. Start doing it again. I thought that was a pearl that she threw.
Oh my god.
I can't fucking block that shot. No, you didn't.
Yeah.
You seen him?
Yeah.
Is he dead?
No.
Is the arrow in him?
Yeah.
No, it's not.
They look good.